Hey guys, it's Susctopus here. Oh yeah, that says D's nuts. D's nuts ball. How to hide a body. Ngulo A. Minion order Bob for today. She's 12? Zam. She's... Okay, I'm not gonna... I don't think I'm gonna read that. I don't know if that's anything like fucking... Okay. Hey y'all, Susctopus here. Listen, I hate things, and that includes clutter. Clutter scares the piss out of me, and I'm ready to get out of my life ASAP and quickly. Jesus! You see, this is what I'm talking about. The whole concrete matter thing has been a fact for eons, and I'm ready to call it quits. Scott Wozniak pushes all the items out on his desk on I'm strictly living an all-digital lifestyle from this moment forward. I've recently got rid of all my paper. I'm currently in the process of converting all my movies, music, photos, clothes, water, trees, and documents to a hard drive. And this digitalization of my life accepts my video games as well. Scott Wozniak begins to put all of it. What? No. 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 Just the mere thought of owning all these games physically makes me want to get myself a good old fist shaking. Oh, it's amazing what it'll be like when I own all of these games digitally. Convenience alert. And I think I used to do this! A flashback is shown of Scott Wozniak inserting a game into his PS4 being portrayed as a bad thing with fire in front of it. Is this an actual, like, script? Like, did Scott actually write this? I just see Alex from Yelp. Dude, what the fuck? Hey guys, it's me, some kid named Defon. Hey y'all, Scott here. As seen here, this fine gentleman has found himself in quite the predicament. He is seen falling down the stairs after being informed of newly arrived pizza in a comedic manner. The slapstick event yet ground. Okay. Okay, the text is gone now. Feel free to download.
Yeah.